This is Buddy in the Arkansas Ozarks. I've got a farm listed, fine little cattle farm, ready to move right onto and start operating with cattle. It's also just representative of the Ozarks with a live stream, mountain views, and it's near town, easy to get at. Instead of me just telling you about it, come with me. I'll hop on the side by side and take you through it, and if you like it, you can come ride through there with me. Come see me here in the Ozarks. Help you get a grasp on the size of this 102 acres. I parked near the entrance. If you look, you'll see my red truck way down there in the distance. Enough of this high stuff. Let's jump back on the four-wheeler and go down and look at the creek. Did I tell you that there was a spring that once served an old homestead? This is a working farm with good fencing, cross fencing, a barn and hay shed. Stock panels and concrete feed bunks remain with the property. Bring your cattle. It's ready for you to start working. Don't forget the scenic beauty, the hunting opportunities, and the tranquility you'll find on the back corners of the property. Come sample these Ozarks. Full of diversity, full of wonders waiting for you to discover. Learn to love it like I have. This 102-acre farm is offered for $490,000. Give us a call.